In this video, I want to show you how to use K9 wireless microphone. Many people are finding it difficult to use wireless microphone, and after watching this video, you will be able to use wireless microphone. This wireless microphone has two microphones and one receiver. First thing you need to do, you need to charge this microphone. As you can see, it has charging port. If you are currently charging your phone, unplug it and connect your charger to this microphone. When you connect your charger, it will show red light, and when it is fully charged, the lights will off. This is receiver. It is called receiver. You need to connect it to your charging port. So, and after connecting to your charging phone, then you press the switch button. As you can see, the microphone has a switch button. Let me on it. As you can see, it's different. Let me off it and on it again. Here is the switch. Here is the switch button. As you can see, it's off. Let me on it again. As you can see, it's blinking. But if I plug this receiver, the light will not blink again. It will be stable. Let me off it and plug this receiver to my charging port phone. But before I plug it, if you listen very well, you'll be hearing background noise. And if I plug this, if I connect this wireless microphone, you won't hear the noise again. That is the main purpose of this wireless microphone. This receiver is what got many people confused. Many people don't know what to do with it. You need to plug it to your phone charging port. Let me show you the sample. As you can see, have you seen it? You don't need to charge it. Just plug it to your phone charging port. That's all. It will also show red light. If I plug it to my phone now, my voice will be mute until I on this microphone. As you can see, it's not blinking again, which means it has connected to the receiver. And if you listen, you will see that my voice has changed. The background noise has disappeared. This wireless microphone is very good. It's very good for creating video. And it has two extra charger. I don't know if it is called extra charger connector. If your phone is iPhone, if your phone is iPhone, you plug this to the receiver and plug it to your phone. So if your charging port is using this type of if your phone is using this type of charging port, you plug it to the receiver and plug this place to your phone. It is very simple and very easy to use. Please, if you enjoy this video, like, share and subscribe.